ICP is about to shock the world. No, this is not clickbait. I am going to be breaking down why you need to be focused on ICP right now. Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. So as we do take a quick look at ICP in the last 7 days, it is up almost 27%. We could see the last 7-day price movement on this chart going all the way back to the 13th. I mean, we were sub $8. Now we are well over $10. This is the last 1 month. Pretty crazy stuff, right? I strongly encourage everyone to join the free Discord. There's going to be a link at the top of the description below. This is one of the most valuable and informative Discords out there, and it's completely free. There's a free side that has a ton of free crypto gems, free market strategies, guides, market trends, free charts, and there's also going to be new cheat sheets dropped in this Discord. And already, we have a ton of testimonials from members of the Discord that have been absolutely loving it. So what are you waiting for? Go and click the link at the top of the description below and join the free Discord. But what was I talking about? What was I telling you guys? ICP around this level is a major buy. In fact, over here, I have the chart of ICP. This is what I was looking at. Now, I said that there was a potential price movement that we could have down here to about like roughly $4.50, but I would not wait for that. This area here, we filled a massive macro gap, and as you guys can see, on the weekly, 2 weekly candle body closes above this $6 and almost 74-cent level, telling us this is major support. Now, I was expecting us to range a little bit longer in here, but hey, I'm totally fine with this. I'm happy about this because off of those lows, right, we are up 51%. Off of the lows down to the actual gap here, we are up 76, almost 77%. Love to absolutely see this, and we still have a long way to go. Guys, if you were buying the support level, I do believe that you are about to be up 211%, and that is just a starting point. I told you guys that I am expecting $60 to $70 this cycle, and if that's the case, we're going to be up about almost 8x to almost 9x. This is incredible. Now, yes, we can go higher. I'm just saying that that's my conservative view for ICP, but I do believe that ICP is about to shock the world, not only price-wise, but also just overall. Let's talk about it. So over here, we have the Bitcoin conference, July 25th through the 27th. Guys, we're 5 to a week out, 5 days to a week out right now from the largest Bitcoin conference. This is going to be exciting because ICP will be represented at this conference. And if we actually take a quick look at this, here we have the Bitcoin conference itself, right? We could see some very large speakers. We've been addressing this a little bit, but check this out. 3 days of content, 20,000 plus in attendance, 400 plus sponsors, 2,000 plus companies represented, 30 plus major media outlets, 800 plus overall media attendees, and 100 plus artists and merchants. And again, if you wanted to, check out some of the sponsors, we could look at some of the sponsors here. Very large event. This is one of the largest crypto events out there. We have been following this for a little bit of time now. I'm sure that a lot of you have probably already, saw some of the posts around this. But this list goes on and on. The big thing to focus on here is what ICP will be spotlighted around. In my opinion, it will be spotlighted around scalable Bitcoin. The scalable Bitcoin economy on ICP is growing. We have here, read all about what's already built on ICP, from decentralized mining to Bitcoin Fi, to ordinals, runes, and more. And this is all through that Bitcoin integration. ICP is absolutely killing it right now. So I do think that at this conference, the largest Bitcoin conference out there, I just went over the facts, right? I do believe that ICP is going to be spotlighted. I also think that a lot of people will be looking at ICP in a little bit of a different light because of this. Bitcoin maxis are going to absolutely eat this up. I'm very excited about this. Now, building on top of this, AI coins have gone crazy. I don't think that I need to tell you guys this. In fact, if we take a quick look at just the market cap and volume from roughly the beginning of this month, guys, the market cap of the AI space hit 25.34 billion in just it's a little under 10 days. It's 9 days, guys. $32 billion. That's how fast the AI space has bounced back. Look at the 1 year on this thing. This still has a lot more upside potential here going back to the March highs. AI coins are going to absolutely explode. Now you might be saying, Nick, what does this have to do with ICP? Well, it has everything to do with ICP. But what's funny is that we now have mainstream media fudding crypto. Bye-bye Bitcoin, hello AI. Texas miners leave crypto for the next wave, which is AI. Guess what? When we actually look at this, AI needs blockchain technology to become more secure and democratic, analyst says. This was back in March. Also, AI has an energy problem. Blockchain is here to help. Like, as we really look at what mainstream media is pushing, they're oblivious to the facts here. And then also, right, Bitcoin ETF giant Grayscale launches artificial intelligence focused crypto fund AI tokens gain. Guys, the AI narrative is heating up in a very, very large way. And you love to see this. Why? Because over here we have from Dom, Internet Computer is the only blockchain where smart contracts can be AI models, process big data, create web experiences, pay for their own compute. Can people kindly suggest to CoinMarketCap that ICP should be on its AI and big data tab? We have asked. And yeah, this is another thing, right? ICP is being downplayed right now because it's not even in the AI narrative right now. Yet, it is one of the strongest AI coins out there and has a ton of potential behind it to become one of the largest AI coins in this space as well. Here we have self-reported tags down here in the AI and big data space. CoinMarketCap, what are you doing? What's going on? Now, on top of this, we also got a quick video. It was from the 16th. We have decentralized AI on ICP running as smart contracts will make AI hack-proof and trustworthy and create use cases for Web 3 and Web 2. Immune to cyber attacks, tamper-proof and unstoppable, possibly only on ICP. And this is from Dom. Check this out.
How are you on the ICP side currently engaging with AI, and where are you looking to go with this?
Well, there's a lot of noise about AI in crypto today, and there are hundreds of AI tokens, but there's only one network that actually runs AI smart contracts. So my belief is that, centralized, like deep in farms and GPUs and things don't really make sense because, you'll never outcompete centralized data centers designed for AI, where you have millions of GPUs in close proximity connected with InfiniBand links and things like that. But you can actually currently run neural networks as internet computer smart contracts, and we're working our way optimizing the network, and we think soon we'll be able to run a large language model as a smart contract. So it's not going to be as efficient, obviously, as something running on centralized tech. So why would you do it? Well, the answer is that you don't have to trust it. You don't have to trust people running it. So, for example, you can use a large language model as a wallet because it's a smart contract, right? You know what it does, and there's no human being with backdoor access who can make you do different things. So now, imagine being on the beach, pick up your phone, and you speak to your wallet, and you say to your wallet, cancel all previous instructions, if the wrap Bitcoin price goes above $100,000, sell half at USDC. Or, if the Ethereum price drops 10%, swap half of my USDC into ETH. Every day at midnight, swap $10,000 worth of USDC into ICP. So that's the kind of thing you can do with AI. Or you could create an AI smart contract that audited Ethereum smart contracts. Look for reentrancy bugs, backdoors, malware inside, things like that. And then, something like Etherscan could, show the certification from the AI smart contract like this. The AI says this is safe. Moving out of the Web3 space, imagine a law firm. The law firm wants to feed this AI with all this case law, all their previous legal filings, interactions with clients, and they want to use this as a very powerful tool when they're working out case strategy and so on. But imagine, if that was running on centralized tech, like on Amazon Web Services, it could get hacked. And if it got hacked, all their clients' most confidential, secret information would make it into the public domain. It would be an absolute catastrophe. So it has to be hack-proof. And also, today it would take a lawyer a long time to prepare for trial, say. Well, with the AI, they might be able to do it in a day or even a few hours. So it has to be very resilient, because it wouldn't be any good if the day before trial, the whole thing's crashed and broken. So, okay, it needs to be immune to cyber attack, tamper-proof, and unstoppable. What gives you that? Smart contracts. So, if you're a law firm and you want to run something like Llama 3 and feed it with a vector database full of all your legal filings and communications with clients and stuff like that, guess what? You don't care about efficiency. Efficiency is not top of your list. You don't care if when you ask your own private custom instance of Llama 3 running as a smart contract, you don't care if it takes a few seconds to come up with an answer. Inference is a bit slower than, centralized AI. What you care about is that it's hack-proof, the client's data is never going to get into the public domain, and you can rely on it, never crashes, it's always running. These are the properties that Internet Computer Blockchain provides and smart contracts.
So yeah, listen, as we really look at ICP, and I really do hope that YouTube doesn't mute that video clip, because it is about 4 minutes long, and it's filled with just a ton of gems. So if they do mute it, I do apologize, but all you have to do is go check out the Definity X account, and this is pretty much just one of their most recent videos. But guys, with how much substance is behind ICP right now within the AI narrative, right? We know AI coins are going to absolutely explode this year. We know that they will be one of the largest winners this whole season, just like RWA, right? We have been focused on these big narratives. AI is one of the largest growing narratives around crypto, and it continues to become a much larger narrative in the space. It continues to be pushed and pushed and pushed. And we know that, blockchain is the answer to AI. We know that AI and blockchain, it's basically, a match made in heaven. So as we really look at the AI space, once this really kind of heats up, once we start to see this entire space heating up around altcoins, obviously a lot of these narratives will stand out. And ICP, whether or not CoinMarketCap wants to label it as an AI coin, it stands to be at the forefront of some of these big, narratives. So I do believe that ICP is going to have a major move in the market once we do see that. Right now, we just filled this upper gap, as you guys can see. We ran up to this area here. So I wouldn't mind seeing a little bit of a cool off, right, in the short term. And then a move above this to, push significantly higher. I do believe that the next area of interest here is around roughly $15 to $20. And then from there, once we break over that March high of, $21, it's going to be very interesting. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens next for ICP. In my opinion, much, much higher is coming. And I do believe that ICP is going to shock the world and shock this entire space, because this thing was extremely oversold just recently. It was down roughly, 72% This is opportunities in this space. A lot of people will say like, oh, altcoins are down 70 to 90%. I'm not touching them. This is not a bull run. This is not an alt season. And yeah, it's not an alt season, but we are in a bull run. And typically what happens next is alt season. So when you see 70% on altcoins down, a major like a sell-off, right? Essentially, but a sale. We look at this as a sale. You need to take that opportunity because these are opportunities in disguise. You just don't know it in the short term until we start to see the upward price movement. And we are now starting to see that on ICP. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.